How to enable or disable auto translations on eBay app. So first thing guy, or what you have to do is go to eBay app. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and go to settings down here. Click on the settings option, and now all what you have to do is go down and click on translation. And right here you will find allow translations option. You can turn it off or turn it on as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.